Hey man, you want to know one of the most potent weapons in your arsenal when it comes to attraction? Mystery, not looks, not money, not smooth lines, not even charm. It's the subtle, silent force that makes her mind spiral long after the conversation is over. It's what makes her replay your words, what makes her stare at her phone, waiting for your name to pop up, what keeps her wondering, analyzing, guessing. Because once she thinks she has you figured out, once she knows your every move, your emotional rhythm, your next text before you even send it, the chase dies, the spark fades. Mystery, man, is what keeps her hooked emotionally, because it creates one thing her desire feeds on: uncertainty with meaning. Mystery doesn't mean being fake. It doesn't mean lying, playing games, or hiding your life. It means withholding predictability. It means she doesn't get to read you like a script. She can feel your interest, but she can't pinpoint your intentions. She sees your value, but she doesn't fully know how far she has access to it. That ambiguity, that soft uncertainty, it keeps her curious. And curiosity is the fuel of feminine desire. She needs to feel into you, and when you give her just enough to pull her in, but not enough to let her settle into comfort, you create tension. That tension becomes obsession. Mystery is created by presence, not performance. You don't need to be loud. You don't need to be cryptic or philosophical. You just need to be calculated. When she asks about your day, you answer in a way that makes her want to ask more. When she looks into your eyes, you hold it longer than usual, but you don't explain what you're thinking. When she reaches out, you respond with warmth, but never rush. These little moments, these small gaps of uncertainty, create space in her mind for fantasy, and fantasy is far more powerful than any fact you could give her. Most men kill mystery by trying to be understood. They explain too much, they give too much access, they fill every silence. But when you say less, when you don't respond with everything, when you let questions hang in the air without answering them right away, you start speaking to her emotions, not her logic. And that emotional space is where she starts feeling you more than hearing you. She feels the tension, the pull, the slight distance, and it drives her crazy in the best way possible. Because now every interaction with you carries weight. Mystery makes you rare, and rarity in today's world is a magnet. She's used to guys being open books. She's used to instant validation. She's used to getting everything up front. But when she meets a man who moves differently, who is polite but not needy, engaging but not overly available, confident without oversharing, she feels it. She notices it in her body before her mind can catch up. And that feeling, that slow burn, that's what lingers long after the conversation ends. She doesn't know what it is, but she wants more. When you live with purpose, when your days are filled with mission, passion, structure, and meaning, you naturally become mysterious. Not because you're trying to hide, but because you're not always available. She doesn't know what you're doing. She doesn't get to hear from you every hour. You're not dropping validation bombs on her every day. And that space, that emotional distance, makes her start to project. She starts imagining what you're doing, who you're with, what you're thinking. And that imagination starts feeding her desire. Because now, she's not responding to you, she's responding to the story she's building in her head. Mystery also means unpredictability. You don't always text first. You don't always initiate. You're not cold, but you're not consistent either. You're unpredictable enough to be exciting. She doesn't know what's next. She doesn't know if you're going to call. She doesn't know if she'll see you again this weekend. And that doesn't make you a flake. It makes you interesting. Because what's uncertain keeps her alert. And the moment you stop giving her that emotional alertness, she starts to drift. But if you keep her guessing, she'll stay engaged mentally, emotionally, and even physically. One of the deepest layers of mystery is in not revealing your full emotional hand too early. You can care about her, you can admire her, you can want to see her again, but don't say it all in the first few dates. Let her feel it instead. Let her sense your affection, not hear it in a monologue. Let her earn more access to your heart. When she feels like she's discovering you slowly, piece by piece, she begins to invest. She leans forward more. She opens up more. Because now, this isn't a man she conquered. This is a man she's unfolding. And unfolding a man is much more addicting than winning one. Mystery lives in your pauses, in the way you don't rush to fill silences, in the way you look at her when she's speaking, deep, present, but unreadable. You're there, but you're not reactive. you're warm, but she's not sure how much. And that lack of clarity, that subtle unpredictability, it makes every moment with you feel charged. You've now become the kind of man whose silence says more than another man's speech. That's power, that's seduction, that's what stays with her. When you cultivate mystery, you also protect your energy. You're not giving out emotional access like it's a free sample. You're not rushing to tell your whole life story. You're not revealing your deepest scars to earn sympathy or connection. You move slowly, intentionally. You drop hints. You reveal when she earns the right to know. And when she does earn it, it means more. Because now she's worked for it, she's stayed curious, she's built a connection not from exposure but from intrigue. And intrigue keeps her coming back. Mystery also elevates your sexual energy, because when she can't fully read your emotional investment, she starts feeling you more physically. That uncertainty, it charges every touch, every glance, every pause, because she's not sure if you're holding back because you're in control or because you're uninterested. And that subtle mental tension is what amplifies her body's sensitivity. You don't have to be overtly sexual. Your restraint is the seduction. You brush her hand and then pull away. You kiss her slow and leave before things go further. And now she's not just desiring your body, she's craving your intention, what you're thinking, what you're withholding. And the more she feels that, the more she starts giving without you asking. She'll start asking herself questions she never asked before. Does he like me as much as I like him? Is he seeing someone else? Why do I think about him all day? And it's not because you were vague or confusing, it's because you were in control of what you shared. You didn't give her the full map. You didn't let her get too comfortable too fast. That uncertainty becomes mental tension, and that tension is the backbone of desire, because it makes her emotionally invest first. Now she's not just hoping you like her, she's working to stay on your radar. And once a woman starts working to keep your interest, you flip the dynamic in your favor. Mystery turns the tables, without confrontation. You're not dominating her with words or status, you're influencing her attention by never giving her the full story. You're not rude, you're not distant, you're just hard to fully grasp. And people don't value what's fully understood. They value what's partially hidden, what feels like a riddle, what makes them feel alive when they're close to it. That's what you become when you learn to move with presence and purpose without narrating your every move. You become the mental adventure she didn't see coming. But mystery isn't just about silence, it's about emotional pacing. You don't talk about your past on the second date. You don't reveal how deeply you like her within the first week. You don't flood her with compliments every morning. You hold back. You reveal in moments, not in monologues. And each moment you do open up becomes valuable. She leans in when you speak. She listens more. She cherishes the details because you didn't overload her. You made her wait, and waiting creates appreciation. The man who's mysterious isn't the man who disappears. He's the man who shows up fully when he wants to, and then returns to his mission. You're not emotionally evasive. You're emotionally disciplined. You have a life outside of her, a routine, a standard, a vision, and when she texts, she doesn't get you instantly every time. When she calls, she doesn't always know if you'll be free. That distance, that independence, doesn't push her away, it pulls her in. Because she feels like she's dating a man who has gravity, and that gravitational pull comes from mystery. Every time she thinks she's figured you out, you surprise her. You cancel a plan because you're prioritizing your business. You don't respond to drama. You show up to dinner, calm, collected, quiet, and then say something profound that stays in her mind for days. These little jolts, these breaks in predictability, create depth. She can't flatten you into a type. She can't box you in. And because she can't figure you out, she keeps coming back to feel you again. That's how you become unforgettable. Not by being the loudest voice, but by being the quietest man with the deepest impact. You've got to remember, man-feminine energy is drawn to the unknown. It needs emotional texture. It needs contrast. It needs the adventure of decoding your energy. And if you give too much, too soon, too often, you remove the very thing that makes you desirable, the chase. But when you hold back your story, when you slow down your attention, when you drop hints instead of explanations, you let her chase discovery, and discovery builds investment. The more she learns about you, the more she realizes there's more to learn. That loop never ends, and that's what keeps her emotionally attached. And here's the deeper truth. Mystery protects your power. It keeps you from being emotionally overexposed. It keeps your standards in place. You're not throwing your time, your attention, your presence at someone just because she looks good. You're observing, you're listening, you're deciding if she's worthy of access. That mindset alone changes your energy. You go from being the man who tries to be chosen to being the man who chooses. And when a woman feels like you're choosing her without needing her, that's when she starts giving you her best. So if you want to keep her guessing, don't just say less, mean more. Every word has weight. Every moment with you should feel like a window into something she hasn't fully unlocked. Keep your routines to yourself. Keep your emotions layered. Let her feel the warmth, but never let her touch the flame too fast. That balance, that restraint, it's not a trick, it's mastery. And it's how the men with presence, not performance, build real, lasting attraction. Because in the end, mystery isn't about making her chase forever, it's about maintaining tension long enough for her to fall into respect. Respect is the foundation of feminine submission, and submission, when given freely, creates the deepest kind of love. But it all starts with your ability to stay quiet, stay composed, and stay in your masculine frame. Let her wonder, let her lean, let her guess. Because the moment she figures you out completely is the moment she stops needing to. But if she never fully solves you, she'll never fully stop craving you.